Yeah, family, friends, finances, man. That's what this is. So peep game, cousin, right? What you want to do anytime you see anything that you're interested in, whether it's a house, a trailer, a truck, whatever it is that you're interested in, and you see somebody selling it, the first thing you want to do is pick up that phone. You want to give them a call. You ask questions. You know what I'm saying? Hey, how can I qualify for this? What are the requirements? Now you also want to make sure you got a notepad because you want to be able to write all of this information down. You also want to compare, right? Because there's not only going to be one truck sold, there's not only going to be one mobile home, one house, right? So you also want to compare. You also want to call 2 or 3 other competitors or sellers with a similar product to then obtain information, and then basically you can draw a average of all of the information that you're receiving. So when you're dealing with, let's say for instance, mobile homes, from my understanding, a mobile home is not equivalent to a house. The reason being is because with a house, you own the land. That's why it's called a lot. You own a lot and you actually own the house. So this is why, like, if somebody's house burnt down, theoretically they could clear it all out and they just keep the land. They still own the lot. And in the case of a mobile home, keyword mobile, you could pick up and move your home whenever you want. So because you can move your home, you don't own the land. Whoever owns the mobile park owns the land. So what happens is a lot of times these mobile park owners, they will finance you. They actually own the mobile houses. They will finance you. If an individual doesn't own that mobile house, 9 times out of 10, that mobile park owns that house and they will finance you. So you don't even got to go to the bank and get a mortgage, or that debt to income ratio and all of the loopholes that you got to go through to get a mortgage for a FHA loan. You don't even need that with them. You just hit them up and you see whatever it is that is necessary for you to qualify for that property. And you just begin a process like that. They probably want you to put down a down payment, and then every month you making a payment towards your mobile home. Now, in addition to your payment in terms of the mobile home, you're gonna have your insurance, you're gonna have your taxes, but you're also gonna have most likely an HOA fee. And this is how the mobile park makes their money outside of financing you, right? Because you're gonna pay interest on the money that they let you borrow in order to actually purchase the mobile home. But the reality of the situation is they also have what they call HOA fees. And with an HOA fee, it usually covers like the grass being cut, if they got a swimming pool, trash, things of that nature. It basically, it's a standard that is implemented to make sure that the community actually stays upkept, because we've all seen people own properties and then they don't care. Like, everybody else grass nice and then their grass is like 6 feet high. Like, they don't want that to be the case. So they're like, yo, you don't even have to worry about cutting the grass. So we're going to get somebody that's going to come in here and cut all of the grass. They're going to pick up all of the trash, and our community is going to look nice, and we all just going to pay. So that's another way that they make money. So look into the HOA fee. You want to ask how much the HOA fee is. You want to ask what is the process to get financed, right? Do I need a certain credit score? How much I'm going to have as a down payment? These are the things that you want to know. How much interest are they charging, right? And you take your notes. Now, like I said, you pick up the phone and you call another mobile home, and you ask those same questions, and you can determine after you call 2 or 3 other places whether or not this is a decent deal. So that's my advice to you, family, when it comes to, mobile homes. But remember, you always want to get your pen and your pad, and you wanna call whatever number. Google it, man. That's your friend. You want to call and you want to obtain as much information about the property as possible, and then you want to compare that information, and then from there you should be able to make a decision, and you're gonna be good. All right, peace.